It is a Saturday. I just got coffee and they've been making it like really strong the last 2 weeks. I just got a black iced and put stevia in, but I feel like I put in too much. But then I always get concerned, like they know me and they already had it ready. And I'm always concerned that like they put sweetener in it, even though they know I only get black. I don't know. So then when they don't even have a label on it, so I'm like, oh God, like, did they not do it right? Like, whatever. I'm actually, so it's the last weekend, it's June 29th. It's the last weekend of the month, and Plato's Closet, like the not thrift, but like, you know, the secondhand place, they have like, it used to be $1. They have the dollar bin sale, so they have a bunch of like old clothing they just want to get rid of for $1, and you just like everything is just like thrown into bins, so you have to like go through it. But I just saw they raised it and it's now $2 per item, so that's like really annoying because whatever, maybe because it's like the slower month, so less people are in Florida right now. I don't know, but it's really annoying. I'm gonna stop in there though, and then I think I'm gonna go to a nature center. It's like close by, it's more to the west though, and just walk around there for a little bit. And then head back. And yeah, but I'm gonna try to film like more of a week in my life, because you guys seem to like the last one, which was surprising. But we'll start Saturday and go all the way till next Saturday maybe. But this week is like 4th of July. 4th of July is on Thursday. So people are like, I guess some people have like are doing things like this weekend and then some next weekend. I don't know. But I'm filming on my phone right now, and I'm holding my phone because I don't have like a stand for my car. Maybe I should get one. I don't know. But yeah, we'll go see what we can find. I don't know if I'm able to film in there because there's probably gonna be a bunch of people, but we'll see. Well, that was a fail. Apparently I think they changed it, but it was like only clearance items, which there's like never a lot at all. And they were all $2. So it wasn't the bin sale. But like, I don't know. So I was really upset. I tried on one thing. Brandy Melville, I think. But I thought that was the brand that like everything's one size. And it was huge. I don't even know. It was like a romper, and it was like an extra, extra, extra large, even though it said it was like an extra small. So I don't know. That didn't work. Now I just drove to Green Cay. It's a nature center trail. There's like boardwalks. It's pretty big, so I'm gonna walk around. It's overcast and cloudy today, so that's why I'm like, I'm waiting. There's another park that I want to go back to, but I want to go when it's nice and sunny, because last time I went it was cloudy and rainy. Actually, it did rain, and it's just very mosquito-y, so that's why I'd rather go when it's like bright and sunny. So this one's like closer, but it's just super out west. And yeah, we're gonna walk around there. I've been sitting in my car now for the last few minutes. I don't know if I'm the only person, but I love just kind of like when I get somewhere or when I get home or just whatever, like I usually sit in my car for a few minutes and like reset before I like go on to the next thing. I don't know, but sitting in my car is nice. Although down here it gets hot so quick, obviously. And usually like you can't sit at all when it's like in the summer, but because it's like overcast, I think. During the winter though, you can like sit in your car for a little longer. Yeah, that's it. This is turning out to be one heck of a Saturday. So I will get clips of this, obviously, which will be easy. And then I'll probably just run like into a few more stores or something on my way back, but that's it. Nothing too exciting today, actually. Kind of upset, but hopefully because the holiday week, we'll have some more fun things to do later on. I'm gonna try talking to myself. Hopefully no one's around. It's weird because it's so like hot and humid, but it's like, it seems like it's gonna be cold. And there's all this algae on the water, so it's like, it smells kind of weird. Yeah, but it's just a nice place to kind of walk around and stuff. And I've been here so many times now that I'm trying to like not take too many videos and photos because my phone is like so full of all this stuff. But yeah, we'll just keep going. So it's like a dark, cloudy Sunday. I was editing photos for the post that I'm writing tomorrow, Monday. And then I was so tired, and I worked out this morning, obviously. And I usually take a nap on Sunday. And so after I edited, I was like, I can't even hold my eyes open. So I took a nap for like an hour-ish. Like it's like I have like a YouTube video playing in the background, like a relaxing one. So like I'm like half asleep, half not. Half the time I literally fall into like sleep paralysis, where I literally can't wake up and then like I'm suffocating because like I can't like hold my breath. That didn't happen this time, but it was just very hard to get up. So then I was like, all right, I need to start getting things done. So I edited my reel and TikTok because I have a recipe going live. So I post something new every other week. So I have that going live at 2. My YouTube video just went up at 12. Well, actually 12:43. And to get myself a little more awake, I took a shower, so I'm all clean. And I just threw in a load of laundry, so I hear that like just going crazy back there. And now I'm gonna stream for like maybe an hour. I think I'm just gonna play The Sims. I was playing a story, like I don't know, it was free, and like I didn't realize that one of the themes in it was like something a little weird. But I don't know if I really feel like doing that. I feel like I just want to zone out and build a little bit. Although maybe I'll play the other game. But I don't know, but then you get stuck because you have to like, it only saves at certain points. I just want to know I can get out right away so I can go at 2. But yeah, we're gonna stream a little bit. That's it. I don't know, I'm really tired. Like I just don't sleep at all, and it really sucks. So, I will probably just pick this up tomorrow. And it's gonna be a work day. So Mondays are always, not always, but this week, yes. Writing. So we're gonna be writing a blog post. Yeah, so that's it. like this week, but that was just a wild day. And it was, of course, the one day it was raining. I don't know. So that took a really long time to just go to 3 places that were all close together. But I got most of what I need. And I think I'm gonna do a recipe. So potatoes, I have a few sweet potatoes, kombucha squash, which they're only 99 cents each, which is like really awesome. So I forgot, like I used to eat them all the time. I think this is empty. I don't know why iceberg lettuce is now like, it's like $2 something, insane prices, and celery, it's like $2, which is weird because usually it's like 99 cents. Seltzer, this stuff goes not here. And I had so many weird interactions, like some guy, I don't know, these old people were like basically on top of me when I was at Aldi doing self-checkout. And then the cashier was like, there's no register over there. And they were like, okay. And the old guy just kept standing there. Like I don't think he could hear. And then some other weird, creepy guy with like one item in his hand, like he was like, I think he was trying to like get my attention. It was really weird. I don't know if he wanted me to like pay for him. I literally just ignored him. And people are always like, there's a TikTok where a girl's like, oh, like if someone like says something to you or just is saying something, you're walking on the street, whatever, like you just ignore them. Like that's what I do. And my mom will always respond. I won't. I will literally ignore everything and just keep walking. Like maybe that's like the New Yorker, even though I'm not a New Yorker, but like the Northeast, like you just ignore things. I don't know. I did get cherries though. They're on sale, and oh my god, cherries are like, I always think of childhood. Cherries are awesome. Definite summer fruit. This iceberg lettuce that was like super expensive for some reason. Very weird. And if I can even fit it in here. Let's see. Mangoes. Although these are like super, I'm gonna put them in the front because they're very hard and not ripe at all. And then cucumbers are still really cheap. I guess if I don't actually need, but like kind of need, like I will need, and I'm just like, all right, I'm just gonna get it now. I don't know. I had to stop eating any type of like tomato or pepper, which is really sad, but you can always get those. See this, I can put it here. I have some scallions, so I'm gonna make like a sour cream and onion potato salad. So I guess I'll just put, I'm actually gonna put these here. I thought I needed dill, but I guess I don't need dill for that. A few apples and a pear, just in case I don't have any of this, but put that there. These, I always open these to give them a little bit of air. Mushrooms. And I think that's it for onion. You know what I'm gonna do though? I always put the onion in the fridge because that's me. So that's it. Okay, however, I got like a ton of potatoes because one of them is for the recipe. But now there's something. Actually, no. So these are for the recipe, these potatoes. So I don't know. We have a showing at like 11:30, so I have like 10 minutes, less than that, like 5 minutes. So it's Friday. Last night was July 4th, 4th of July. I heard a bunch of fireworks. I think it's my neighbors, because I don't know, I remember like the first few years I moved here, I heard it like all night, because it sounded like right next to my head, and I'm assuming it's my neighbors. I don't know. But they're supposed to come, and of course it looks like it's about to rain for like 10 minutes, so I'm like, then the place looks dark, you know, you want as much sunlight as you can. So I kind of like just opened everything up, freshened everything, opened the blinds, just need to turn the lights on, and then, I don't know, but I don't have anything else to do today, and hopefully I can like edit this, finish up editing. It's really just a bunch of random clips, like I'm barely talking in this vlog, but I may do my deep cleaning today instead of Sunday, because I may want to do something on Sunday, but I'm not sure. I'm really tired though. I am exhausted, so that's good. Like today's just a chill day. Might go for a walk. There's a heat advisory, of course, but that's pretty typical. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to come, and then, yeah, then I honestly have like the whole entire day, and I don't really know what to do. You know, I have pools here at this place, and like I sat at my pool maybe like two times I think, and apparently there's another pool, but I'm like not sure. I see 3 pools in this area, and I don't know what the second pool is. So just like, I'm so grossed out by pools. I don't know if anyone else is, but like I do not, like, unless it's my own pool, I'm not getting into a pool. Like I'll put my feet in, but you could tell me as much as you want about chlorine. I don't really care. They always test pools around here, and then they like release some big like countywide report, and there's like a bunch of like community pools like in HOA communities and stuff that are like, have like higher levels of like whatever bacteria, and I'm just like, I mean, no one even goes to these pools. Like once in a while I'll hear kids or something on the weekend, but I don't know. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully they show up and they don't ghost me like last time I was vlogging and I said someone was coming and the people didn't come. Cause then it's like I just wasted the last like half hour of my life like just stressing. Like I can't do anything until they come and they leave. And it's so stupid because people literally come, it's like 10 minutes, you know, it's not that big of a place. You walk around, you see, okay, great, and then you leave. But it's just so much like prep. Like I get so stressed, like everything has to be all nice, as nice as it can be, like whatever. Obviously I'm living here full time. It's not like I'm selling an empty house, so yeah. I don't know, I will pick up, maybe I'll vlog when I'm cooking tonight. I don't really feel like vlogging myself cleaning because I might not, but if I feel like talking to the camera while I'm cleaning, or not cleaning, while I'm cooking. That could be nice to kind of end the vlog. Maybe I'll do that.